Hey guys, this is Panchi and you are on my channel Crude and Careless. So in this video, I'm sharing how I DIYed this super easy, super inexpensive table lamp. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that I can share more such videos with you guys. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Crude and Careless. Now for making a table lamp, we basically need three things. First, we need to create a base. Second, we need to make a shade. And third, and most importantly, we need to find a way to fix the shade on the base. I'm using this waste plastic bottle for making the base of the lamp. Next, I have this bulb, wire and holder arrangement that I bought for 99 rupees. I'm going to insert this wire inside the bottle and take it out from the base of the bottle. I'm heating a needle over the flame of a candle and I'm going to pierce a hole using this hot needle. Now let's paint this bottle. We will use this white acrylic color, also this gold acrylic color over it. And this sponge for paint application. We won't use a brush because sponge gives a texture to your application and will make the base look like ceramic and not plastic. This is how the first coat of white looks like. Let's apply a second coat. Now let's use gold color. It is in powder form. You can add a binder to this powder to make it into a liquid paint. But I'm using this Fevicryl glue because glue gives a different metallic finish to the paint. We'll apply some glue, then take some gold powder on the sponge. First dab it on the glue, then we'll use wiping motion. Dab dab, wipe wipe. Now our base is ready. Let's move on and make our shade now. So this is a gift wrapping paper, 11 by 28 inches in size. But this paper is a bit flimsy, so I'll be using a slightly thick but smaller chart piece to line the wrapping paper. I used 9 by 28 inches to be exact. We will fold the extra paper inside and paste it. This gives a clean and market bought look to our lamp. Now glue one end and paste. Our shade is ready. Next we have to mount it on the base that we made. For that we'll use this wire. I bought it from a local stationery. Ask for thick jewelry making wire, you will get it. Here I am creating a ring around the neck of the bottle. Now measuring the length of the shade, we'll cut 2 pieces of wire. Attach them to the ring using masking tape or any heavy duty tape. So we get a structure like this that will paste on our shade like this. This will support the shade and hold it over the base or the bottle. Now fix a bulb. This is the resulting table lamp. This is how the lamp looks when the lights are on, and this is how it looks when the lights of the room are off. Isn't it beautiful? I made one more lamp, but in this case I didn't use wrapping paper. Instead I have hand drawn this design on a thick chart paper and then made a shade out of it. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also leave your comments and suggestions down below. Hope to meet you again in my next video. Bye.